Everyone is talking about making money with AI in 2026. But can you really make up to $10,000 per month, or is it just hype? In this video, I'm going to break down 5 AI side hustles and show you what's actually possible and what you should focus on as a beginner. And the best part, you don't need coding. You don't need expensive equipment. Most people struggle to make money online. They try side hustles, spend hours creating content, and get little results.
Oh, I've been overworked myself. I'm very stressed, and I wish I had someone to help me.
That's because they're not using AI. AI can cut your workload, increase your output, and help you earn faster. Imagine completing in 30 minutes what used to take 4 hours. That's the power we're talking about today. Here are the 5 key business strategies. Number 1, freelance writing. Number 2, niche websites. Number 3, social media automation. Number 4, digital products. Number 5, AI automation services. We are going to discuss them one after the other. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to start, which tools to use, and how much you can realistically earn. First, freelance AI writing. Businesses are desperate for content, blogs, emails, social media posts, product descriptions, you name it. AI allows you to generate drafts in minutes instead of hours. Then you refine, add your insights, and deliver a professional article. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and even local business groups are perfect for finding clients. Beginners can charge $150 to $300 per article. Professionals earn $700 to $1,500 per article. Some freelancers are now hitting $5,000 to $15,000 monthly, once they specialize in niches like technology, finance, or e-commerce. Do you want to stand out from the crowd? Here's the secret. Bundle your services. Instead of offering just one thing, package your skills together: content calendars, SEO audits, and social media management. This is exactly how top freelancers position themselves and charge premium rates. Second, niche websites. This is one of the best ways to earn passive income. You choose a topic like AI tools, personal finance, health, or e-commerce, and start publishing helpful content using AI. AI can handle article ideas, drafts, SEO optimization, and meta descriptions. Monetization comes through display ads, affiliate links, and digital products. A site with 10,000 visitors could earn $200 to $2,000 per month. And the best part, once your content ranks, it works 24/7. Third strategy, social media automation. Millions of businesses struggle to post consistently. With AI, you can create viral captions, graphics, video scripts, and even full reels in hours, not days. Then manage accounts for businesses. Real clients include real estate agents, coaches, restaurants, and e-commerce stores. Most social media managers charge $500 to $2,000 per client monthly. Manage 5 clients, and that's $5,000 to $10,000 monthly. You can scale this globally, entirely online. Now, let me be real with you. This is not magic. You won't make $10,000 overnight. But if you focus on the right one and stay consistent, this can actually work. Fourth strategy, digital products. Create once, sell forever. Examples: ebooks, courses, templates, AI prompt packs. AI makes creation fast. Generate ideas, draft content, design covers, and format in minutes. For example, an ebook called 50 AI Prompts That Save Business Owners 10 Hours a Week could sell for $19 to $49. If 1,000 people buy it, that's $19K to $49K. You can sell globally via Gumroad, Etsy, or your website. Many creators scale this to $5K to $30K per month. Fifth strategy, AI automation services. Businesses pay thousands to automate tasks. Customer support, lead generation, appointment booking. You don't need coding to build AI automation services. Platforms like Make.com allow you to connect apps visually and automate tasks like sending emails, generating content, or managing leads. Automation projects cost $3,000 to $20,000. Agencies focusing on niches like dentists, real estate, or e-commerce can earn $500K plus annually. You could start solo, then outsource delivery once you scale. Pro tip: offer free demos or audits to show ROI. This convinces clients to pay premium rates. If you're a beginner, here's a simple roadmap. Step Guide 1. Choose one AI strategy. Step 2. Learn 2 to 3 AI tools. Step 3. Launch your first gig, site, or product. Step 4. Scale and reinvest your earnings. The opportunity is here, right now, for people in Lagos, New York, London, anywhere. Your first AI side hustle could start today. If you want a simple step-by-step guide on how to start any of these, even if you're using just your phone, I've created something to help you. Check the link in the description to get started. If you found this video valuable, like, comment, and subscribe for more AI wealth building strategies. Comment below which AI side hustle you're starting first. I want to see who takes action. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.